Hi y'all, truck driver Linda. Truck driver Paul's out running around somewhere. I subscribe to a channel, it's Ketogenic Kim, and she did this like most amazing grilled cheese, carb-free grilled cheese. So I thought about doing that, and I'll put a link to that in the descriptions to her video. And then we had a comment on 48 Hours in Tennessee Part 2 from Pocono49 on a lasagna recipe that was just like super simple and easy, and I was like, oh my gosh, this could be just like wonderful to do in a video. Unfortunately, I was not able to get to the store to do either one of those two videos. So what to do this week? Well, we're currently on our way to the greater Philadelphia area. And I was like, oh, Philly cheesesteak. We don't have any cheesesteak. But I have chicken, and I had everything else I needed. So we're going to make Chicken Philly Cheesesteak. Yum, right? I know. It's genius. Ketogenic Kim. I'm hoping maybe a future video we can get that grilled cheese done, because it's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant making your grilled cheese that way. And to Pocono49, hopefully in the near future, we'll get to yours as well. But I pinned it. Oh, here comes Paul. I see Paul coming back to the truck. So the beauty of editing is I'm going to be able to go back. Like, he's going to get in the truck and I'm going to be like, hi y'all. Truck driver Paul's up front. And even though all of this has been done and he hasn't been in the truck, y'all won't even know it unless I don't cut this. If I edit this part in, y'all won't even know that he hasn't been in the truck the whole time. Pretty amazing, right? Good. Okay. So I've been waiting for you to come back, so I can do the intro with you in the front seat. Hi y'all. Truck driver Linda. Truck driver Paul is
up front in my usual spot.
And now that that's all done, shall we set up and get some cheesesteak made? It's quick and easy, beginning to end. The whole thing takes about 30 minutes. I got a bag, and I'm going to use a bag that's going to make cleanup easier. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce first, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of onion powder. I'm going to add maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt and the same amount in pepper. Alright, so that part's really easy. No. But you need some chicken breasts or some chicken tenders. Alright, so we're just going to slice them really thin. Maybe not that thin. About like that. So you want them in strips, like a steak strip, like a Philly cheesesteak strip. All right, and then you just close the bag up and swish that all around and get it all mixed up on the chicken. Okay, so once that's all mixed up, it's almost done. Okay. So while your chicken is just marinating a little bit, just a few minutes, you can use that time to cut up some vegetables. So I've got half of a yellow onion, a red bell pepper, and a green bell pepper, and I've sliced them into slices and julienned the peppers, you know, for cheesesteak. And get you a skillet hot. So plug in your skillet, turn on your burner, whatever you use, and you want about half a tablespoon of olive oil in a hot skillet. And then I'm going to add my chicken, just like that. Okay. You're going to cook it about 5 minutes per side. Okay. So after like 5 minutes, you just want to flip the chicken over. Whoa. See how nice and brown that is? After you flip it over, you're going to let it cook maybe another 2 to 5 minutes. You can let it get brown, get it done inside. 165 is the magic number. And then we're going to pull it out and just set it aside. All right. Oh, that looks so yummy. So I'm just going to okay, so then I'm just going to add a teeny bit more olive oil just to what's already there. About maybe another half a tablespoon. 1 clove of minced garlic. That sprinkle out a little bit. And then all of the veggies and dump them right in. Those are just going to saute until they're crisp tender, maybe 3 to 5 minutes total. And you just want to keep stirring them up. Okay, so after about 3 to 5 minutes, when your vegetables are kind of crisp tender, can y'all see how they look? Just add your chicken back. Mix it all up. And then you actually want to turn the heat off and add just a bunch of provolone cheese and cover it and just let the heat just melt it. I've actually toasted some hoagie rolls, and we're gonna have them with some toasted hoagie rolls, and I'm gonna get Paul back here and we're gonna see what he thinks.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, yum. Philly cheesesteak is just the bomb. But when you make it with chicken, it's the atomic bomb. That's all we got for today.
Oh. See ya.
Bye, y'all. See you next week.